Welcome to Upstart Press. Do you need free placeholder logos for UI, web design, or your next app? While you can use any random image as a placeholder, it won't provide the authentic experience of a demo. How many times do you need to build a demo slider? Almost for every website, right? I'm going to share websites that offer free SVG and PNG placeholder logos in a variety of styles for use in design projects and mockups. You can easily copy the code or download logos for your design. Logoipsum.com. This website gives you 100 free placeholder logos. These are SVGs that can be downloaded and be used. If we look at the detail, these are free to use, no attribution required, and commercial usage is allowed as well. Untitled UI offers 100% free fictional company logos. You can copy the SVG code. You can also get the Figma design file containing all these logos. These are 180 plus logos. Then we have UI logos. These are 25 plus free logos available in SVG and PNG format. You can directly copy paste SVG code from here, or download zip file, or download Figma plugin. So these are resources that I use to implement placeholder logos in my projects. I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.